Yeah, what's up YouTube? It's Rc.ChefChevy in the house. Let's season up some chicken wings tonight and let's put them in the air fryer and let's get some RC therapy in, y'all. Y'all know how we do it. Hope y'all had a good day today. Y'all know what to do. Push them thumbs up, like and subscribe, baby. We got some new parts coming in today for our Big Rock 3S. We stripped the spur gear, so we about to replace that, get that fixed in the next video. We got the gears tore down, and we're just trying to figure it out, get it put back together. Oh yeah, guys, we finally got the sledge back and running. We got a new fan on there. It's not pretty, but them screws right there. I got some GPM aftermarkets. They're not sitting flush because I think my chassidy's bent a little bit, but I got them in there to hold it down. So let's try it out, guys. Oh yeah, baby. It's starting to grind a little bit. Gotta figure out what that is.
kickflip.
Oh yeah, YouTube, this video is about to come to an end. Thank y'all so much for all the likes and subscribes. Thank y'all for watching all the way to the end. Y'all know what to do. Next video, we're gonna be working on that big Brock, and hopefully it's ready to roll, baby. Let's go. Let's bash. Let's crash. And you know we about to spend that cash. All right, y'all. RC Chef Chevy out, baby. Let's do it.